going home to Leicester and Hampstead train station, and then now I'm going to go to Pancras Station in Victoria. So many people in the station because London is on tier 4, so only needs to go out is going to work or going to use the shop to get some essentials.
Change here for southbound Northern Line service via Bank and northbound service to High Barnet and Mill Hill East from platform 3. Change here for Victoria.
To take coach, which will take me for 2 to 3 hours. Actually guys, it's only me who was wearing visor in the train and people are looking at me, so I have to wear visor and mask as well, so I'll make sure that I'm safe, because we don't know what's gonna happen. I have to make sure I am safe. I have tickets back home. Who wants me to be safe too? So my coach is leaving in 10 minutes, so I have to run. Is leaving in a few minutes. So my coach was cancelled, and I didn't receive any email or text messages from National Express, so now I have to make my own way to get home. So I have to book train, which is it cost me really expensive because I will travel today. So I complained to National Express and they can't do anything, obviously. So now I have to go back to Victoria Line. Then from there I have to go to St. Pancras Station. I am so upset because I was running for the whole time because I thought I was going to be late, but I was in shock. They cancelled that coach and they didn't even send me any emails or text messages. So now I'm in St. Pancras Station. I have to go to the train, East Midland Trains station. I didn't get home yet, but I'm really tired now. Guys, I'm in St. Pancras Station now, so I have to wait for until 9 o'clock for my train to Leicester. So yeah, the guy on the phone from National Express told me I have to get my own way to get home because he can't do anything, and just give the receipt in case they will reimburse or not, but it's not sure. So yeah, I have to pay for it, and it cost me a lot. That train over there is that's a Eurostar that's going to Paris, Amsterdam or Belgium. Oh, it's boarding now. Have to go there now. Yeah. So yeah, this train goes to Sheffield and it will stop in Leicester first. So it will leave around 9 o'clock, but on this one it's only me here. I just took off my visor because it's only me here, and on this coach, it's just me. So yeah, I am really tired, very very tired. It took me like nearly 2 hours just to go around in London. I'll see tomorrow if I can I will complain on National Express via online, but I don't know if they will answer me straight away, but for sure it's gonna take long time to respond. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit guys when I get to Leicester. So I just arrived in Leicester. see if my husband is there now, waiting for me. My husband is not here yet, so I have to wait for a few minutes. So we'll just finishing work at 10 o'clock, so I have to wait for a few minutes here. So guys, I'll let you know next time if I will get a refund or like they will reimburse the ticket that I bought from a train for the train. Yeah, so I'm here in Leicester now. It just took me like an hour 5 minutes from St. Pancras to coming here. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.